Hey guys, welcome to day 1, week 19. Can you believe it? We are going to be talking about anything that you missed, or if you just want to be reminded of what happened in day 1 for week 19. So we're going to start here with week 19 lessons and homeworks. There's some really important information you need to know, so make sure you listen carefully. Let's look at our objectives to start out. I can review informational standards and literacy standards to prepare for the MAP assessment. So at the end of class, I can complete my quizzes and bulletin assignments to prepare for MAP testing. Remember, day 2 map testing is Wednesday for reading. So for reading, you are just going to come to Language Arts at 9 a.m. On my homepage, there will be something at the very top that says click for map testing, and it will take you right to the Zoom. If you have any questions about it, please do email me. In class today, we did a Padlet for our New Year's resolution. We talked about the poetry slam for the Hayes Digital Night. We did a quizzes, and we have a booklet. The quizzes is the one I want you to focus on first, to what you do for, and then the booklet I will give you in class on Wednesday or Thursday. The 2021 vision board will be due Friday, as well as no red ink. Please make sure that if you are doing this, you are taking attendance. And let's look at our modules and continue on. So the first thing we did is a Padlet for a New Year's resolution. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. Right here. So with the Padlet for the New Year's resolution, it is, what is your New Year's resolution? I want you to give me one goal for your school life, one goal for your personal life. In order to click and add, remember, click that plus button. The next thing we're talking about is the directions for the Poetry Slam. Miss Coop and myself are in charge of the Poetry Slam. This is an optional thing starting on January 20th. Here's the directions and the template for you. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because this is something that is optional, and if you are interested, just ask me a question, send me an email. With the Poetry Slam, make directions of this, make a copy of this, and with that copy, it will take you to an own version of it, and it'll work perfectly. So if you look at the front page, it talks a little bit about what day's the poetry night, what you're signing up for if you choose to do it. Computer is slow today. So it will talk about it's January 20th from 6 to 8. You can either use the template below, or you can write on the theme of where I'm from. Any questions, email us. So here's the original poem that our theme of the night is based off of. It's where I'm from. And then if we scroll down, it's a template to the poem. So read it, do the template if this is something that you are interested in. So how you turn it in is a little bit different. You do the Google submission form. So when you do the Google submission form, you are signing up to not only submit your poem, but also speak at our event. And if you have any questions, just let us know. It talks about your name, your email address, your grade, your teacher, and all those great things. So that is all like the preliminary housekeeping stuff, as we like to call it, for class today. The one thing would be the vision board I'm going to go over, and then the quizzes link is already up there, so you're good to go. So the vision board. Today is all about preparing for the year, getting ready for 2021, setting our goals. So your homework will be to finish this vision board by this Friday. You will have plenty of time after class or after map testings to get some of this stuff done. Again, setting goals. So here's the directions. You'll use slide 4 to create your vision board, and slide 3 is going to be an example. It's already completed, it is just a sample, and it's just a model for you to use. If you do not like the colors, change them. If you want to make it your own template, totally fine. Make sure that all parts are still included though. Reminder, this is a thing for the future. You're using a custom slide with fun colors and fonts to fill your board. Do not forget, this assignment is a grade in the grade book. This is going to tell you the why. It helps us become more clear, set goals, lasting, reminding of what we're working for 2021, and to be purposeful and positive. So in the green box, you write 3 goals based off each of these. You choose 3, You choose 3 of these to write off. In this box, you pick an image to represent each of these topics. Emotions, what you see yourself doing for a living, what kind of living do you see yourself doing, like job-wise, and then maybe like house or location of where you're living, recreational activities, what do you like to do in your spare time, vacations, where would you like to travel. Finding an inspirational quote goes here. Finding images to represent what is something you've always wanted to learn and what is something that makes you smile. These are things you want to do more of. These are things you want to do less of. Again, if you have any questions with this, you are good to go. For the quizzes, it is attached to your lessons and homework. Make sure you complete that and then email me when it's done. Again, any questions, just let me know. Have an awesome day, guys.